Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me DJI Osmo Nano, and now I can show you how to enable or disable underwater color correction. When you are shooting underwater, colors tend to look washed out, everything gets a green, yellow or blue tint. The underwater color correction mode automatically fixes that by boosting the reds and warming up the tones, so your footage will look just more vibrant and lifelike. So open settings, scroll a bit down, find here underwater color correction and just enable it. But don't forget to disable it before shooting in normal mode. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.